I wish you good health and happiness. Hello, beautiful soul. You're welcome to my channel. Trust God, you are doing so well. Whatever thing you're going through in this life, just know that God has got you because His plan for you are for good and not for evil. So today we are going to be learning something that is going to help you and I to grow our hair, to retain length as well. It's so easy to grow hair, but sometimes shading doesn't allow our hair to stay. There's when you have excess breakage, oh my god, you will not be happy with the length of your hair. So today you can see I have my rosemary leaf, I have my curry leaf. That is a curry leaf that I brought out there, and of course that is mint leaf as well. Rosemary, curry leaf and mint leaf has many properties that helps the hair. It helps reduce hair shedding, helps with dandruff, and also promotes blood circulation to the scalp. So if you are battling with excess shedding of your hair, rosemary is there to stop hair breakage, honestly. And of course, if you need something that will cause a blood circulation, because if blood is not circulating well on your scalp, tell me how your hair is going to grow. You have got that mint leaf there. And also this curry leaf is awesome, man. Guys, check my other video that is coming up on how to make curry leaf hair butter, hair conditioner, man. I've been using it and I have seen massive change. I took off braid that I made, and guys, I lost my edges with this oil and the curry leaf. I won't lie to you, within a week is too long, days, I started seeing the difference. My edges are coming back awesomely. Okay, so here I took it out. I had to wash it. You have to wash it. Okay, you can use warm water or just cold water, whatever, but please try to put cider vinegar to wash off every germ, kill every germ or whatever that may be on the body of the leaves. It's gotten from a farm. So after washing that, I had to, like you saw me doing, clean it, make sure it is dry. We don't want to water in our oil. Okay, so I had to clean that, make sure it is dry. Then I had to blend it, not crush perfectly. If you want to learn how to make curry leaf powder, the video is coming up also, how to make a perfect smooth curry leaf powder. When I tell you that this oil has got lots of properties that's going to help your hair massively well, trust me, I'm not joking. You can see my fenugreek seed. Guys, in the description box, you're gonna be getting the names of all that you need to get this potent hair oil done. All right, so check the description box. Okay, here you can see I had just add little of seeds. Okay, without this I can do with just the leaves and it is perfect and good to go. So this my seeds here, I had to crush it. Okay, you can blend it to powder if you so wish. Okay, I crushed it and added it to my leaves, all right, into a jar that it is clean. This jar is basically for my hair product and nothing more. You wouldn't want to put it in a jar where you mix pepper and salt and all of that. So in this video particularly, I'm just going to use just olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm also going to be using amla oil. Guys, this amla oil is 100% and it is so awesome. Okay, I had to use it on my olive oil. Before now I use coconut oil. That's my grapeseed, that's my almond, just put in a dash. I could add this other oil when I have finished infusing, but I just put it there, let everything incorporate properly. So you can use any carrier oil of your choice. All right, any carrier oil, please don't be pressured. Okay, whatever works for you. I see some people use sunflower. If you're good to go, fine. Another thing you must do is to please know your hair porosity. Is very important to know the oil you have to stay away from. Okay, so that you don't end up trying your best and nothing is working. So this is on the 20th of July, while I infused on the 12th of June 2025. So that oil was infused June 12th, and today we are removing it after. Today is 20th of July. So you can see it has stayed for weeks. All I do, maybe in a week, 2 or 3 times, I bring it out to shake the bottom. I put it back in a dark place. You can see I also tied it in a bag and put it in a dark place for it to stay and infuse. This oil smells beautiful. This oil smells goodness. It smells nice, trust me. Here is my vitamin C. You don't have to, but if you have, please do well to incorporate it. We know that vitamin C helps to nourish the scalp, the skin, so your scalp is going to enjoy this goodness. So do well to add it. If you want to add any carrier oil like rosemary, like mint oil, like lavender oil, I use that a lot and I have them, but I chose to leave this like this because I love the way it came out. So this is me now distributing them to the different bottles. So if you are very busy, you don't have time to make this oil, like you want somebody to take the stress off you, you can see I sieved it twice. I sieved it the first one, and before I put it again, I used a very small sieve. You can see the little particles that came out. So to avoid putting dirt in your hair, I can help you make this oil for a token. Do well to contact your girl. Please subscribe, like, and share this video out, and God will bless you. Bye.